And this has to sound just as stately as T bum bum ba 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 dee bum bum ba 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 ba. Place, 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 place. You're going island hopping. It's the A flat major island chain. Here's one island. Here's another island. Here's another island.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't get the lowest one. I got this island. I got this island, and then I think you lost interest.
Yeah.
Now take it back up, and take it back up. Now take it down, and take it down. You're in the wrong inversion there, don't worry about it. In the
Okay.
previous measure.
Oh, yeah, right.
Next island. Now you stop. And then you jump, and you go, and you go. I think you're playing those as 30 seconds. Yeah, it's a.
Oh, right. Yeah.
It's instead of da da da, instead of going up, it's going down now. And it's again, it's the whole universe is contracted into this little measure. Can you make it less inevitable that this is going to go down the octave just because that went down the octave? Yes. That's nice. Blackbird, shame on you that lots of ledger lines above treble clef giving you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.